Hi, this is Luis, and I'm going to show you how to install RAM and a graphics card. Here's the graphics card and RAM. Alright, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and check out the motherboard layout. This is a motherboard. Right now it's not actually installed in the system, it's just breadboarded, as you guys can see. No processor is installed. This is the client, so I'm very careful with it. Alright. So the first thing you want to do whenever you want to install RAM is to go ahead and open up the slots. For example, I have 2 RAM sticks here that I like to install. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up the first and then the second one. The reason why I'm opening the second one here is because this particular motherboard has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not in the same order as typical. Typically it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this is a different motherboard. Don't let it confuse you. Just go ahead and install them in the order that they should be. So what you want to do is go ahead and match up the groove on the motherboard with the RAM stick. Go ahead and set the RAM stick down and press firmly on both sides until you hear the mechanism lock. Check the lock and it'll be done. Open up the other. And press down. Confirm it's all good. And then you're done installing RAM. Now for the graphics card, it's actually quite simple. Go ahead and take the graphics card. Be sure that you're selecting the correct graphics card, PCI Express 16 by 16 lanes, and not an AGP. What you're going to do is just go ahead and set it down into the opening, and that's all. Once that's done, it typically has a latch here that goes back or forth. You'll know it's locked if it's completely forward. And that's it. If the graphics card that you purchase comes with a power connection, it's usually a 6-pin PCIe connection, go ahead and plug that in to your power supply. If not, then go ahead and just connect it, and basically you'll be ready to boot off the new graphics card.